What's going on, you guys? The Motorcycle Boss, and in this video, I'm going to be covering 10 Christmas gifts for the motorcycle enthusiast. Now, before I get started, get a hold of your girlfriend, your boyfriend, or whoever you need. Let them watch this video so that way I can help you out. And with that being said, let's start the list. Number 10. Anchor. The Anchor is a power cell that you can take anywhere. It has tons of storage, they have different sizes, and it's really handy if you're out and about. Number 9. Battery load tester. I've reached for this thing countless times to test my battery to see if it's going out, to see if it's completely dead, or if it needs to be charged simply. But basically, you'll be able to test your battery to see if it's holding the correct voltage. But if it does say it's holding the correct voltage and still won't start your bike, you can easily pull this out and it'll let you know if the cells inside are going out, which you won't be able to tell with a standard multimeter. You also have additional functions. Not only are you able to check the health of the battery, but you can also check the charging system, the starting system, pretty much everything battery related. It tells you your health right there, 87%, and it'll tell you your internal resistance, voltage level on the battery, and everything. Number 8. GoPro.
Life is either an incredible adventure or it's nothing at all.
For people who are looking to possibly become motovloggers, or maybe you'd like to document your trips and you go out pretty frequently, a GoPro is a killer gift for anybody. I want one. Everyone wants one. If you can afford it and you know they want it, pick this one up. Number 7. Camera system. Now I have a motorcycle camera system on my bike, and this is a really good gift for people who are going out on frequent trips, especially if they're pretty decent sized trips or trips that have a lot of traffic or high likelihood of getting in an accident. This will record constantly, it will loop record, so once it runs out of space on the SD card, it will continue to record from the oldest file, it's like a DVR almost, and it will let you lock a file in case you get in an accident, so that way you can use it for insurance claims. I have a full review video on this particular camera system if you'd like to see it down in the description. Number 6. Tire repair kit. The tire repair kit is a must-have for someone who is going out on very frequent long trips. If you go outside the city or you go between cities pretty often, getting stuck on the side of the road sucks. And having this really small kit that will not only patch the tire but also inflate it on the spot is a needed tool. Really good gift to keep people safe. Number 5. Allen socket set. Are you familiar with those L keys? They're really bad. Don't use them. Instead, pick up this Allen socket set. It'll be linked down in the description just like everything else I have here, but this is my go-to tool for motorcycle maintenance, and it makes life so much easier, way more convenient. It's a lot more handy to have. Number 4. Spinner T-handle. The spinner T-handle is my go-to tool along with the Allen socket set. They both work in conjunction with each other, and it makes taking nuts and bolts off very quick. You can get it in 1/4-inch drive or 3/8 drive. But between you and me, most common is the 3/8 drive. This will allow you to quickly twist off nuts and bolts very effortlessly. It's a really handy tool and you can use it in all sorts of situations. Number 3. Torque wrench. The torque wrench is a specialized calibrated tool that you typically see with dealers or professionals. You use this tool to tighten a nut or bolt to a very specific torque, so make sure that you don't make it too loose or you don't make it too tight and start stripping and breaking things. You set it to the correct torque and then go ahead and start wrenching on it, and once you hear a big click, that lets you know you've reached the torque that you specified and you shouldn't go any further. Number 2. JIS Screwdriver Set. I have a whole review video on these screwdrivers on my channel, and I'll have that linked down in the description. These screwdrivers are the best I've ever had my hands on, and I guarantee they'll be the last ones you'll ever need as long as you don't lose them. They fit Phillips head screws as well as JIS screws better than a standard Phillips head screwdriver. They don't cam out, they lock in place, and they make sure you can twist it as hard as you want. And before we move on to the last one, I'd really appreciate it if you could show me your support by liking the video and subscribing, so that way you guys will be notified of upcoming videos. And my number 1 pick is a Bluetooth system. Motorcycle Bluetooths attach to the outside of a motorcycle helmet with speakers and a microphone on the inside. They allow you to get turn-by-turn navigation, make and receive phone calls, even have your text messages read to you, if not, talk to the microphone and have the phone text for you, which is really awesome. Listen to the radio, be able to communicate with other riders nearby, and the list goes on.
Hello. Phone connected.
There's a variety of different Bluetooth systems out there, so I'll make sure I get the most popular ones down in the description so you guys can take a look. It's pretty much endless, the things that you can do with this system. If someone who rides doesn't have it, I would be hard-pressed to find anyone who wouldn't enjoy it. And there you go, guys, that's it. Those are my top 10 gifts for the motorcycle enthusiast. And I have a question for you. If you're giving a gift to somebody, please let me know if it's motorcycle related or not. I'd love to hear it down in the comments. Now, if this video helped you out, entertained you, or gave you some kind of inspiration for a nice present, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, so that way I can help you guys out more in the future, and I'll see you next time.
Goodbye.